Hi guys, a very good evening to all of you watching this video today. This is the second lecture of expansions of ICSE class 9. Okay, so we have already done in lecture 1 what are the different square identities like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b bracket a minus b, that is a square minus b square whole square, and also done all of the formulas and shortcuts in order to make sure that we have understood everything about the first part of the chapter. Now let's head on to the second portion, that is nothing but cubic identities. Okay, as we have already started off with this chapter, okay, a few things are required for us to understand like why cubic identities is necessary. Firstly, these are all the parts that we have to understand in this particular chapter. Okay, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a plus b, a plus and minus b, it's combining the same result, we are getting two different formulas. And finally a plus 1 by a and a minus 1 by a. So first let me take a whiteboard and make sure you understand everything that is being done here. One second. So let me take a fresh page. Okay, so let's begin guys. First thing is we'll be understanding what is a plus b whole cube. Okay, a plus b whole cube is nothing but a plus b whole square into a plus b. As we have already done what is a plus b whole square, so we can write this as a square plus b square plus 2ab, and we are multiplying this with a plus b. Okay, so now this normal multiplication of variables, a square plus a plus b plus b square a plus b plus 2ab a plus b. Okay, now a cube plus a square b plus b square a plus b cube plus 2a square b plus 2ab square. Okay, these are, well, like when I multiplied it inside the bracket, this is what we got. Now we'll be writing a cube plus b cube. So this a cube and b cube, I'm taking it first. Then I'll be writing a square b. There are two a square b already here. We are going to write 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so from here we're going to find out a cube plus b cube plus 3ab 3ab a plus b. Okay, so this is how we found out the formula for a plus b whole cube. Okay, now this is for a plus b whole cube. Okay, I think like from this we can write the answer as this as well as this because both of them are the same. Now for the second portion, if I now I'm not going to write everything, a minus b whole cube directly can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay, okay. Next cheese is that now we have done a few things about what is a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay, now if we want to make this a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube as the subject of the equation, okay, so what shall we write? We shall write here, like let me do for this particular equation. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. Okay, Now if I take a plus b common, if I take a plus b common, so we are left off with what? A plus b whole square minus 3ab. Okay, so a plus b, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. Okay, so a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So a cube plus b cube will give us a value of a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, now from this only, if we want to find out what is the value for a cube minus b cube, okay, the answer is going to be a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, this will be minus and there will be a plus sign here. That is it. Okay, now let's move forward to the third set. If I have an equation like this, x plus 1 by x, okay, and I want it to be equal to k, we've already understood that x square plus 1 by x square will give us k square minus 2. Okay, but if I'm cubing both sides, if I'm cubing both sides, then we are getting what? X cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 ab, a plus b is equal to k cube. This is what we have got, right? So this and this gets cancelled out. Second step is x cube plus 1 by x cube. This x plus 1 by x is nothing but k as it written here, right? So plus 3k is equal to k cube. Okay, so x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to k cube minus 3k. Okay, so this is how these two formulas are very important. Now these are all the formulas that we have found the basics for. Okay, now let's go back to the sums and let's understand what are the different sums that has to be covered in this particular chapter. Okay, okay, so as this is done, let's go forward to the next sum. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sums here. Okay, let us solve this one by one. First sum, it is a direct sum. Okay, so 2a plus 3b whole cube, they want to just find out what is the cube of 2a plus 3b. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. Okay, second step is 208 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 18ab 2a plus 3b. Okay, let me change the color of the pen. Let me change it to black. So it will be 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 36a square b plus 54ab square. That is the answer. Okay, so we have done the first one. Now second one is very similar to that. Okay, so let us do the second one now. A square plus 1 by a square is given 23. Okay, so a square plus 1 by a square is given as 23. Okay, I'm adding 2 on both sides in order to make it 25 so that it's a perfect square. So a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a is equal to 25. Okay, So this is nothing but a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 25. So a plus 1 by a is equal to nothing but 5. Okay. Now I have got a plus 1 by is equal to 5. Directly we know the formula for a cube. So a cube plus 1 by a cube is going to be 5 cube minus 5 into 3. That is 125 minus 15. The answer is going to be 110. Okay. Okay. I think this portion is done. Now we have a proof. Okay. What is that proof? It is shown here a plus b plus c is equal to 0. A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Let us take a fresh page to do this sum. A white page. Okay. So it is a plus b plus c is equal to 0. We have to find out a cube plus b cube plus c cube will give us 3abc. Okay. Okay. So this sum can be done. Okay. So in this particular sum, what shall we do is that a plus b can be written as minus c. Okay. Similarly, b plus c can be written as minus a. So let me rub this up. Let me make sure that we finding every way, every possible way to do this. Okay. First thing, a plus b is equal to minus c. B plus c is equal to minus a. And a plus c is equal to minus b. Everything can be written, right, guys? So what I'm doing here, now I'm cubing all the three. Okay. So cubing, it is going to come a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b is equal to minus c cube. Here it will be b cube plus c cube plus 3bc b plus c is equal to minus a cube. Okay. Here it will be a cube plus c cube plus 3ac a plus c will give us minus b cube. Okay. Okay. Now in the first instant a plus b is nothing but minus c, right? So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into minus c is going to give us minus c cube. Second one, b cube plus c cube plus 3bc. B plus c is equal to minus a, right? So minus a is equal to minus a cube. Okay. Now for the last one, a cube plus c cube plus 3ac, this will be minus b is equal to minus b cube. Okay. Now for the last step, a cube plus b cube minus 3abc is equal to minus c cube. For this one, b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to minus a cube. Similarly, a cube plus c cube minus 3abc will be equal to minus b cube. Okay. So if I am willing to write a cube plus b cube, I bring minus c here and minus abc on the opposite side of the equal to sign. It will become a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Similarly, this here and this here, we're getting a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Last one as well, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay. Take a moment to understand that we have solved this particular equation taking all the different constant like variables that are present. So first we have put a plus b is equal to minus c, second is b plus c is equal to minus a, third is a plus c is equal to minus b. Give this a watch, guys. Okay, what is happening? Did you understand the concept? Is it fine or not? Okay, try to give it a watch. Okay, okay, I'm continuing. Let's move back to the class. Okay, so we have done this one. So what are the sums that we have done? We have done this one, this one, this one. Now look at this. Use property to evaluate 8q plus minus 5q plus minus 3q. Okay, so 8q plus minus 5q plus minus 3q. Now before solving this, I want you to remember what the thing that we have done just before. So this is nothing but a, this is b, and this is c. Let's find out if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So a is 8, b is minus 5, and c is minus 3. So it is coming 8 minus 8, that is 0. So if we prove that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then from this only we can state that 8 into minus 5 into minus 3 into 3 will give us the answer. Why? Because a plus b plus c, if it's equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will give us 3abc. Okay. So if it is 3abc now, okay, so this is going to be the answer. So 8 into minus 40 into minus 9, so this will give us the answer of plus 360. Okay, by the way, anyway, so let's go for this particular sum next. Now see, as you are already okay with the finding the value of abc, let's find it out. So if this is a, this is b, and this is c, a plus b plus c, so 2 plus 4 is 6, minus 6 is 0, so the answer will be straight nothing but 2 into 4 into minus 6 into 3. So it will give us 2 into 4 is 8 into minus 18, which will give us 468 144, but with a minus sign. Okay, that is it. Now let's head into the last sum. Expand 3x minus 2y plus 4 and 3x minus 2y minus 4. Now when you get sums like this, the first instant that you will realize is that 3x minus 2y plus 4 into 3x minus 2y minus 4. It is very difficult for us to solve this like that, right? So what we will do is we will take the common portion out of the two and give that a particular variable. So I will write let 3x minus 2y is equal to a. So it will be a plus 4 into a minus 4. This will be a square minus 16. Now let's put the value of a here. So 3x minus 2y whole square minus 16. It will be 9x square plus 4y square minus 12xy minus 60. That is going to be the answer. Okay. Now for the next one. In the next one, you can see okay. So now in the second sum, we have 5x minus 3y plus 2 and 5x plus 3y plus 2. Now let's see what are the common terms in these two equations. So as we can see, 5x plus 2 is the common term. Okay, so we'll rewrite the equation like this. We'll rewrite this as minus 3y plus 5x plus 2 and 5x plus 2 plus 3y. Okay, let 5x plus 2 be a. Okay, so minus 3y plus a into a plus 3y. So here a minus 3y and here a plus 3y. So here it will be a square minus 9y square. Okay, now we'll put the value of a back. 5x plus 2 whole square minus 9y square. 25x square plus 4 plus 20x minus 9y square. That is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood this. Give it some time. Okay, then I will continue with the next portion of the class. Okay, I hope this is done and it's clear. Okay, chalo, let's move forward to this. Okay. And this is the answer of the first two sums. We have already solved this. The answer of the second sum, we've already solved this. The third one, we have done it. Fourth one, we have done it. Minus 144 and 360. And the last one, first answer, second answer. Okay, we've done all of this. Now, let's do some sums from the book. Okay, so when I was a student, the main problem that I have, the teachers will do the easy sums. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7 will be done by the teachers, and teacher would be like, okay, do 13, 160. Okay, so I'll be doing the opposite. Okay, I'll be doing the last three sums. Okay, let's begin the last sum first. Okay, this. If 4x square plus y square is equal to a and xy is equal to b, find the value of 2x plus y. Okay, this is what is written here. Okay, so let's figure it out. So, where will I? So 4x square plus y square is given as a. Okay, first thing, can you see that this entirety is a perfect square wala portion? So 2x का whole square plus y का whole square. If I add here plus 2 into 2x into y, and in the second portion I add this exact term again for xy, then this first portion will become nothing but 2x plus y का whole square. Okay, and the second portion will be a plus 4xy. Okay, but in the question only xy is given as b. Xy is given as b. So 2x plus y whole square is equal to a plus 4b. Okay, so 2x plus y is nothing but root over a plus 4b. That is the answer. Okay, is it that simple? See, every question will give you every in the question you will be given something so that you can realize, okay, this will be a square, this will be a cube. They will give you, they have to give you, because they need you to solve the sum, right? So there always will be something to meet the expectations. Now, number 16, the question states that two positive numbers x and y are such that x is greater than y. Okay, so first thing is what, x is greater than y. If the difference of these numbers is 5, okay, so x minus y is 5. Difference x is greater to x minus y will have to be 5. Then, and the product is 24. xy is nothing but 24. Okay, to find the sum of these numbers, so we need to find x plus y. Okay, let's do it, guys. So this portion, first part, I'm squaring both sides. So after squaring both sides, we are going to find out it's got x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 25. Okay, so x square plus y square is equal to 25 plus 2xy, but 2xy is already given as 24. So 25 plus 24 into 2, that is 48. It will be 8, 19, 11, 12, 13, 73. So x square plus y square is 73. Okay. But we need to find the sum of these numbers. The question does not state sum of the squares of the number, right? So second portion, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. We already know the value of x square plus y square, that is 73. 2xy is 48. So let's add this 2. We're getting 121. Okay. So x plus y is nothing but under root of 121. That is nothing but 11. Okay. So we have found the answer for the first one. Some of these numbers are 11. Let's head to the next portion. So next portion states that we found out this x plus y is 11 and x minus y is 5 and xy is 24. Okay, now difference of their cubes. Okay, so first what we have to find out, x is cube minus y cube. This is what we have to find out, right? So this formula is direct. Okay, what should we do? Let's see. We know x minus y, one second, guys, let me solve this sum in the blank page, other, like, because this problem might again happen. Okay, so we have been given here what? We are given x plus y is equal to 11, x minus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 24. We have to find out x cube minus y cube and x cube plus y cube. Okay, okay. So first thing, like, this sum can be done. First, I will be using all the algebraic identities that we have just learned. Second, I'll be using some amount of common sense. Okay. So first thing is that x cube minus y cubes, I'll be utilizing this. So cubing both sides, we are getting x cube minus y cube minus 3 xy, x minus y is equal to 125. Okay, so x cube minus y cube minus 3 into 24, x minus y, nothing but 5 is equal to 125. Okay, so x cube minus y cube is equal to 125 plus 3 into 5 is 15, 24 into 15, that is 125 plus 240 plus 20, 360 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 485. Let me see whether I did it correctly or not. So 240 plus 120, 360, 485. Yeah. Okay. So x is q minus y q is coming out to be 485. Now it's done for the second one. X is q plus y q. Now, in order to solve for x is cube plus y cube, we are always going to utilize the plus wala. So cubing both sides, we are getting x is cube plus y cube plus 3xy. X plus y is equal to 11 cube. 11 cube. 121, 1331. 1331. Okay. So x is cube plus y cube plus 3 into 24 into 11 is equal to 1331. X is cube plus y cube plus 4 3s are 12, 1 6 72 into 11 is equal to 1331. X is cube plus y cube plus 2971331. So x is cube plus y cube will give us 1331 minus 792. 1331 minus 792. 1923. Okay. So this is how we have solved the entire sum. Let's move back. Okay, so now we have done with our 60 and 70. Now it's time for number 15. Let's try to solve number 15 now. The sum of two numbers is 9. Number 15, I'm trying to do it here. Sum of two numbers is 9 and their product is 20. Okay, find the sum of their squares. This is very easy now. Squaring both sides, x square plus y square plus 2 into 20 is equal to 81. So x square plus y square is equal to 81 minus 40. That is nothing but 41. This is done. Okay, and cubes, same, x is cube plus y cube. This problem is getting on my nerves now. Okay. So let me do the cubes again. So x is cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y is already given 9 is equal to 729. Okay, so x is cube plus y cube plus 27 into 20 is equal to 729. So x is cube plus y cube is equal to 729 minus 0 4 4 5 40 9 4 12 8 6 189. Okay, so we have solved 15, 16 and 17. I hope you can do the rest. Okay, so if you have any problem, comment section is there. Okay, and you can also contact us in Fun Scholar. Okay, now there is some special cases. Okay, see, don't need to, like, if you are not able to memorize the special cases, it's very easy to understand. Okay, let's see. If I have an equation like a plus b plus c and I want to square this entire thing, the simple answer will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, it can be also written as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. Now, for this plus minus that is given here, what is that? Okay. See, A plus B, if I write minus C here, so what is the difference that is going to happen in the equation? So A square plus B square plus C square are going to be the same. But in the term that will have minus, that is C, only those terms are going to have a minus sign in front of them. Okay. Like what? 2AB, there is no minus sign in A and B, right? Okay. BC has a minus sign, so 2BC minus 2CA. That is it. Okay. So it will become A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB minus BC minus CA. This is how we're going to solve this. Okay. Check. These sums are all basically of the same constant what we have just done. 2x plus 3y minus 4z, तो a plus b minus c, a minus b plus c, a minus b minus c. Okay. So again, same type of sums where the values are given. You can take your time understanding the sum. If you have any issue on how to do this, because it's already written in the code, let me do number 3. So a minus b minus c is equal to 3. Okay. First thing what I will do is squaring both sides. A square plus b square plus c square plus uh, sorry c square. This will be minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. Okay. Now a plus b plus c has a value of 77 that is already given. Okay. So this is equal to 9, right? So this is equal to 77. To 77 minus 2 AB minus A and B are present. A and B are present. If I write minus 2 here, minus 2 here, if it's plus 2, 1 second. AB, AB minus AB plus 2BC plus 2BC minus 2CA. Okay. So AB plus is here minus BC minus plus CA is equal to 9. Okay. I took minus 2 common from those. So remaining with what? Minus 2 AB minus BC plus CA will give us 9 minus 77. Okay. So that will give us what? Minus 68. So AB minus BC plus CA will give us minus 60 divided by minus 2. Minus 1 cancelled out, this comes out to be 34. That is the answer. Okay. Now on to the next. So this kind of sums are one of the most common type of sums that can be found. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 5. Okay. And the sum of their cubes is 35. Find the sum of their squares. So see, this is the normal method that we are all going to learn in this chapter. We have already learned majority of it. But there is also a type which we can use to answer MCQ questions. What is that? The sum of two numbers is 5 and their cubes is 35. Let us put values. That is, this method is known as value putting method. Okay. So 1 plus 4 gives us 5, right? But 1 cube plus 4 cube, 1 plus 64, it is giving us 65 and not 35. So the option of 1 and 4 is wrong. Okay. So let me, okay, now second value, let's put it 2 and 3. Okay, let's see. 2 ka cube is 8, 3 ka cube is 27 plus, okay, it is giving us 35 only. It is giving us 35 only. Now let's find the sum of the squares. So 2 ka square is 4, 3 ka square is 9, answer is 13. There we go. This is known as value putting method. This is useful for MCQs. Okay. So this can be used for MCQ questions where you don't have to show the solve, where you can put values, you can make us understand what are the values of this number. Okay. Chalo. Last stretch of practice. I'll be doing again the last two sums and any one from this because we are short on time. Okay, so let us start off with answer question number 15. So 15 states that, see, first look at the sum. Look at the sum. What is written here? It is written x square plus 1 by x is equal to 3, 10 by 3. Okay. Now we can separate this term as x square by x plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. Okay, so x and x get cancelled out. So we have found out x plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. Now what is given in the question? X minus 1 by x. Okay, let's solve it. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 100 by 9. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 100 by 9 minus 2. That will give us 900 minus 18. Okay, 100 by 18 is 72. So x square plus 1 by x square will give us 72 by 9. Okay, now we are going to utilize this value. So x minus 1 by x whole square will give us what? X square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Bas, that's it. Put the value here and minus it with 2. So 9. 9. This is 72 minus 18. That is 64 by 9. So x minus 1 by x will be root over 64 by 9. That will give us 8 by 3. Okay. So we have found x minus 1 by x is equal to 8 by 3 now. Let us rub this particular portion. This particular portion we have found out the first answer. So this is 8 by 3. Okay. Now this can be done directly. What is this? It is k cube minus 3k. Okay. Sorry, it will be plus there because minus sign is present here. So 8 cubes are 512 and this is 27 plus 3 into 8 by 3, that is 8. So 27 512 plus 27 into 8. Solving this will give you the answer. Okay, I think this is more than enough for you to understand. Now number 16. The difference between two positive numbers is 4. So x minus y is given 4. And the difference between the cubes, so x cube minus y cube is given as 316. Find their product and sum of their squares. Okay, first thing, we've been utilizing this squaring both sides. X square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 16. Okay, okay guys, now from here x square plus y square is equal to 16 plus 2xy. Okay, so we have got a value for x square plus y square. Now we have got a value, right? Now if you want to find out, so x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, So x square plus y square is already given as 16 plus xy. Okay, but this is difference between two positive numbers is 4. The difference between the cubes is 316. 4, if this is squared, x square plus y square minus 16. Okay, my fault is, as the number here is already given, one second, let me put it up it and let me do it in a fresh page. One second. So x minus y is equal to 4 and x cube minus y cube is equal to 316. Without squaring, I'm cubing it. In the first instance only, I'm cubing it. So x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y, it will be equal to 64. So x cube minus y cube value is already done. It's 316 minus 3 into xy is the product that we have to find out. X minus y is 4 is equal to 64. Okay, so 316 minus 12xy will give you 64. Okay, now 316 minus 64, 215, 252. So xy is equal to minus 252 divided by minus 12. Okay, 6 twos are 6, 6 fours are 24, 1 is 2, 2 is 21. So the product is 21. Okay, now it is very easy to find the sum of the squares. So x minus y the whole square. Now we are doing whole square. So x square plus y square minus 2 xy is 21 is equal to 16. Okay, so x square plus y square is equal to 16 plus 42. Answer will be 858. Okay, I think we have done more or less everything in this chapter. This is again a special type of sums. You can see it. If you have any issues or any problems, do please let me know. I'll explain. I'll put up another video or a YouTube short so that to understand all of these concepts very well. Okay. Any doubts? If there are no doubts, like in the comment section, I know this particular slide, this PPT is for people who are doing online classes, like offline classes, but for this online, like I prepared this PPT for this purpose. Okay, so we have learned what all in this particular class. So in the first lecture we have done squares. Okay, everything from a plus b to a minus b to a square minus b square to a plus 1 by a whole square, a minus 1 by a whole square, a square plus 1 by a whole square, a square minus 1 by a whole square, how to convert. In this class we have done cubes, every identity of cubes that is possible. Okay, so if you have any issues or any problem, do please let us know. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye guys.